there.
Are we right there?
We're right there.
We right there?
Yep.
Almost, right?
Yep.
We're right there.
Right
Okay.
there.
That's good. Đâu sáng sớm mà trên nó ủa đá bùng rồi hả? Sắp đi
đói bụng rồi. Nè, ăn chưa chưa?
ăn đi. Xà lam là với chi có bia kìa.
Ồ, uống xong mà thả câu luôn á.
Phải Việt Nam hả? Phải không? Dung nói hôm nay là so here's a game plan if you guys want it. We'll shoot like diagonally off to the east to 8A, see if any kingfish, or you guys want to go straight to the red snapper spot. That spot I think right now in the morning is crowded. So I'm gonna lay off a little bit. I'm gonna shoot like north, east a little bit, and then we'll jump over. Okay? Hopefully I want to hit those smooth kings. Those are big. That's a nice size boat. Oh. Yeah, he marked the pig. I seen him. He caught his limit. He's coming in now. He left last night. Yeah. I saw him down.
In the Bachelor last night.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's my brother's favorite boating on yellowfin. That's what he inspired us to have a yellowfin market stop on the
Yeah, it's 7 or 8 people. And he had a small boat.
Hey man, William.
He might be in the middle right there.
Not just yet.
I'm gonna look for the ledge, right? Everybody's right in the middle. See people catch their limit, they head out.
Yeah.
I'll let them head out first. We've got plenty of time.
Just up here.
Alright, we'll play around. I want to get in the middle of it, but this is what I want to do. I want to see this guy on the edges. Sometimes there's big school right on the edges.
Yeah.
Because if what they do is they chum, and I watch where the line runs. That's where the trail chums. You got baits on top. Oh, you got some kingfish right here going right there. That's a single big one right there. You got some good stuff here. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's going on. I get what Monty is. I didn't hear me. I gotta go up right next to you. Fish on the bottom. You got snappers right now. Right there. There you go. I want to see anybody catching something. Up this way a little bit. Yeah. We see it right there. They're right there. Right now, I'm out this way. The spot I want to go is actually where that big boat is right there. See what they're doing. This guy caught his bell limit already. They're heading in. Wow, they're using a live bait. Wow, nice. How many power? 140. 136. Yep. And all you do is slow jig or fast jig straight up. You should catch them. You got tons of fish in the water. You should be catching them as soon as you hit the bottom. So that's how crazy this is. Oh, you got some big fish down there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I would love to jig right now. Hold on.
Hey John, another boat is coming. Watch out behind, John.
Yep, I got it. Kevin, jig like this, Kevin. Straight up. Straight up.
These guys got a nice one behind us.
Yeah, he's got, I see him.
Yeah, just jig straight up. Hold straight up. Kevin, you got it. You hit it. You're on. He got on. Kevin, like this. Right. Make sure we pick only the biggest one, all right?
Yeah, he got it.
Kevin is on.
Yeah, good job, Kevin.
Come on. Oh, tight the reel for you. Okay. Kevin, like this. Okay, like this. Look. Up, and then crank, crank, crank. Yeah. Up, like this, and then crank, crank, crank. All right? You got a big one on right now. Go ahead. You got a big one on, really big. You got it. Come on, Kevin. You got it, man. Take your time. Take your time. No rush. All right? Oh my God! Look at the screen, guys. Holy crap! Jeez whiz. Oh my goodness. That's insane. Bring it up. Bring it up. Oh, let him go. He's a little guy. Come on, Kevin. You can do it. Here's the vent. The venting tube. You need it. Yeah, drop it in the bucket. Won't use it. Right here. Here's the venting tube. Okay? Good. Yeah, that's you. You guys. That's really big. Toss it. You don't have to pick that bucket. Wow, pick it up fast so the sharks were going to take it. We're in it. There's a lot of it. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we're in it. There's a lot of big fish. Tight the top. Tight tight the spool. That's a big one right there. Crank and then hold it up and then crank. Yeah, as you go down. Yeah, that's it. That's the only way you deal with the big boys. Oh, Matt got a gigantic one. Come on, Matt. Come on, baby. This could be the record.
So you want this little one in here, right?
You want a jig? If you want a jig, you want a bottom? Yep, just like that, Carl.
I'm going to go bottom on this
just
side.
like that. Jig a little bit faster, they'll go after. Wow, Matt got into a big one right here. Come on, baby. No, that's a big one. You got a big one, all right. That's a good size one. That's a keeper. If it bites you that big, that's a keeper. And that's a heavy duty rod too. That's another light rod. See color yet? Let me see.
I got two of them on them.
Let me get the gaff. We'll get the net. You know what? I brought the net. Come on, Matt. You're working it on.
You go under, Matt.
Yeah, what is under? Yeah. Go ahead. Okay. That's a good size one, man. Woo, baby. Oh, yeah. Take a picture.
Nice.
Hold it up, Matt. Yep, Matt's going to hold it up.
Oh, that's
That's a nice one right there. Okay, he's going to take some pictures. Yeah. Okay, watch out.
You're done for today.
It's a little bit small, but normally I call that a little bit small. But wait for a bigger one.
Nice fish.
That's a nice fish. We'll keep him in the ice box for now. Oh, there's a one floating right there. Someone grab it, Bennett. Okay. All right. You want to keep this one, Matt, for now?
Yeah, but
For now. Okay. We could just post it later. I got it. Okay. All right, we're gonna keep this baby for now, right? Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your leg. Okay. Open this sides up. We're good. That's one to go. 7 more. 6 more.
Three of them, yeah. Dạ, ba nó đều dính luôn. Cả ba đều có luôn phải không? They hit the same time. Không được rồi, chỉ còn người thôi. Oh, the big one.
They got 7 people too. That spot that lights up like crazy.
That's definitely
Same size as ours. Nothing bigger. Oh yeah, that's a one.
Good.
Come on, baby. Kingfish or tuna?
yeah.
Hopefully. Come on.
Hopefully. Because John he jig very quick.
Yeah, it was big and quick.
Oh, might be red snapper. Hopefully a big one. Oh!
Releasing 19 songs in a row. More music all day. 19 non-stop.
Am I out of it? Yeah, we're out of it. Swing you guys back in. Come on, I don't want bonita, man. I want blackfin.
You want yellowfin?
Oh, that's
man.
a big cobia
No.
right there.
Oh, big cobia.
Get it. He's on up here.
John might be a kingfish, John. That's kingfish, John.
I don't know. He's right there. The cobia is right there. Okay. Oh man, he's wandering out of the thing. Get a rod and get some bucktail in. Watch out, Carson, my line.
Oh,
okay.
oh my God, it's an eel. Oh no, that's your bait.
Yeah.
I talk.
He's out there. He's out further out.
Let me see.
Get the gaff ready.
Where's that?
Just in case.
Right there.
Come on, Jay. We're kind of out of the spot a little bit. Let's see. Keep color. Keep going. Keep color. He's good?
Yeah.
He's good size? All right. I got you. Oh, he's baby.
The baby.
He's a baby. Get that rod out of the, whose rod is that? Get that. Look out, that's scary. Okay, that's lost the line. Yeah, take that out. Put that up front on the side right here. Yeah. Here, give me that rod. I got it. Give me that rod. Got it. Be careful. Location. I got one. I'm gonna release it. I'm gonna put the leg right in here. You guys know what's going on.
Right.
Bring this bad boy in.
Nice steady pull.
Okay, once we get up, take your time. Once you get up, we gotta go back a little bit. Okay, let me get this thing out of the way.
Dữ không?
That side!
Wow.
Woo! That's a monster! Woo! Nice! Oh, man!
Nice.
That's the biggest one right there.
Oh my God.
That's slob.
That is
That's a fat slob.
Oh my God.
That's the one you want to get. You want to get another 5 more of those, you're good.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, Jesus. Close. Let me see. I know he bent a little
Yeah.
bit, but
Right about there.
I mean, if you straighten it out, it's close. So.
Yeah, I think we're good.
You think so?
Yeah.
If not,
It's up to you.
it's $10 per inch if they're gonna find me. So,
We're right there.
are we right there?
We're right there.
We right there?
Yep.
Almost, right?
Yep.
We're right there.
Right
Okay.
there.
That's good. We're going out tonight, 5 o'clock, yeah? 4 or 5 o'clock. We're done. yeah, they went out. There's another group that's going out now. Wow, look at that. They drop people off and then load another boat home. Wow. That's why I charge $100 per person. Probably. So, you know the one that's they take you on that big fat boat? Yeah, like that. Well, they give you, what is it, unlimited soda and then a sandwich. Yeah, they got ready. And bring more piece of the load. And I wear fishing, that's it. It's like about, it comes with this and stuff. You don't take a pair of Oakley out here, you know, or what is it, the other Costa, those are expensive, man, you're moving it. Or you drop it in the water, you're like, wow! Well, these are polarized, just, you know, they're cheap glasses that do the perfect job, especially fishing. Fishing captain, you throw right off that back right there, the blueprint, but out in the middle of that. Wow. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Those those are probably presidential executives, whatever. Yep. Yeah. Just go back, crawl back to bed and then go to sleep, that's it. After eating and watching the shows, gambling. I tried to get in into the arena, they said my boat was too big. They don't fit for anything bigger than a 24. Yeah, I tried to get in here, they said, nope, your boat's too big, too high. the thing is, that's mean going on the rough water and bunkers. Probably. Yeah, that's what he's doing. Those starting up, they're going up the water boat. Over years in some masters. They are taking pictures of fish. While they sell injected. That's why I like to Oh, there's a competition. Oh, yeah, that's right. They're waiting right there. There's a competition. You know, it's a restaurant trying to really draw in the crowd, you know. We went in just, yeah, there's a booster rocket right there. Wow, that's a monster. What is it? Grilled fish, you know, grilled snack?
That's the drawing board.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, these are those full names. Okay. And whatever they have.
Yeah, we got some monster size stuff.
Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah.
All those bags out, then I'm going to drain the tank. No, it's the same thing. It's a baby king. Yeah, that's fine. Probably 20 something inches. We haven't mined yet. Yeah, that's okay. Pour this back up, gonna drink that thing. I got a soup.
Is that it?
Oh no! You should have dumped the ice outside. You know why? Make the clear the drain hole to it. Yeah, dump it outside. Dump the ice outside, or save the ice outside.